Esa va a ser la introducción del video. Acción, sale bola del sol. An amazing dessert for Paul. What's up, you guys? My name is Paula and welcome back to my channel. Since October is finally here, we're going to be making pumpkin bread in La Cocina today. I love this recipe so much because it's incredibly simple, yet the perfect dessert for fall. I'll be leaving all of the ingredients in the description box below so you guys can prep everything and follow along easily. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on that little notification bell so you're notified of my other videos. Alright, without further ado, let's get into the video.
So I'll be starting off by prepping my oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and then moving on to my dry ingredients. I'll be starting off by using 2 cups of flour. I'm just leveling it off with a knife to make sure that I get the accurate measurement and pouring it into my bowl. I will then be using 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of ground cloves. And those ground cloves are really going to give it an over-the-top taste. And then just a simple pinch of salt. I'll be stirring that all together with a whisk and moving on to my wet ingredients. So I'll be starting off by using 1.5 sticks of unsalted butter, just room temperature, and I'll add that to the bowl and be adding 2 cups of sugar. I'm starting off with just 1 cup because mixing that in with just a whisk, the butter and the sugar might be a little difficult. You can always use an electrical mixer, but I just didn't have one in the moment, so I kind of alternated between the whisk and the wooden spoon. We will now be adding 2 eggs. I like to add 1 at a time and make sure that they are mixed well into the sugar and butter batter before adding the other one. Okay, so I'm finishing up mixing in that second egg. Next, we're just going to be using the full 15-ounce can of pure pumpkin. I like to use Libby's, and I'll be adding that into the wet ingredients. Just mixing it with a whisk. Okay, so that was easy enough. Now we're going in to basically the last step, which is adding in our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients. Just as you see me doing, I'm using just a little bit of the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, using a wooden spoon to mix it all, and then adding in more of the wet ingredients as it all gets combined. And there you have it, our batter is ready.
So now we're just going to prep the loaf pans. We're going to spray it generously with whatever cooking spray you have, or butter. Butter works as well. And then I like to add sugar. You can add sugar or flour, just all around, so that the bread doesn't stick.
Now I'm transferring all of the batter into this loaf pan, just trying to make sure that I level everything out as well as possible, and using that wooden spoon to just kind of push everything in and have it all be even. And now for the hardest part, to wait. It's going to take about 65 minutes in the oven. You can use a little knife and poke into it just to make sure that it is fully cooked when you pull it out.
Now all we'll be doing is transferring our pumpkin bread onto a cooling rack with some parchment paper. I just go ahead and take it myself and let that cool down for about 10 minutes. And there you have it. That is the completed recipe. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do decide to try it out at home, let me know how it goes. And if you want, you can tag me on Instagram at Paula Cerrone. I love to see how those recipes turn out for you guys. Well, anyways, thank you again so much. I hope that you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.
Paulita, vamos.
Tú dirías unas caras. Máxima, what are my lines? Sí,
Acción.
Toma una de 100.
Una de 100. Acá está la chuleta.
O sea, ¿me veo completa?
Se ve súper completo, sí.
Okay. Cerrone, and welcome back to my channel.
Esta vez sí.
You guys, my name is Paula Cerrone, and welcome back to my kitchen. To my channel. What? Okay. What's up, you guys? Let's get into the video. Pero whatever.
No, pero de repente queda bien.
Tocará.